Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I want to say welcome to Prosperous Wellbeing with Mike. I'm so excited that you're here because I want you to join me on my journey because I know there's so many people out there like myself that needed some guidance, that needed some help, whether you needed help with health and wellness or creating an income from home, or maybe you needed help with mindset. That's what you're going to find here on this channel. Um, I'm so excited because, first of all, I want to share with you what you're going to get here. I like to talk about things about um, mentally, emotionally, physically, financially, and spiritual. I feel that spiritual is the inner core with physical wrapped around that, your health, and then mental, emotional, and then last, outer core. Just think of an onion. The inner core is your spiritual. I think that is what guides us and helps us get through everything. And then wrapped around the spiritual is your physical, your health, and your wellness. Without your health, okay, you cannot create wealth. Without your health, you can't enjoy your wealth. So I think that's super important. Your mindset, okay? Every day what you think about and what you bring about, okay? That's your life, is what you think about is what you bring about, okay? What you feed your mind, okay? Good in, good out. Bad in, bad out. So that's super important. Financial, yes, it's important. It's like oxygen. We kind of need it to survive. So yes, financial and prosperity is totally needed in our lives, obviously, to survive. So I want to first of all give you, thank you for finding me. Please subscribe, hit the like button. We're going to cover a lot of territories, the health and wellness industry. We're also going to call what I call probably the most important part is how to grow your business successfully without chasing your friends and family. With the right tools and systems put in place, okay, everybody has the people that are marketing a product. Listen, there's millions of people that are looking for your product. You just haven't found the right way to get it out there to them. So that's what this is about. I'm going to share with you some tips, some strategies, some techniques on how to build your business, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or if you're somebody that's just getting started. You're definitely in the right place. I'm going to put together a 6 or 7 part video series, and it's going to be called From Zero to Hero: Growing Your Home-Based Business with Proven Systems and Strategies. I'm going to be adding so much more to this channel. So please, again, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. My first video that we're going to be putting out is called How to Start a Home-Based Business from Scratch. And the key aspects of that is your mindset, your habits, and your sacrifices. Okay. So I look forward to you know, be here with you on this journey. Please stick with me. I'm going to share with you, starting with a brand new opportunity, how you can go from hero to zero, or from zero to hero, okay, in 12 months. Okay. From working this right around a full-time job. Listen, I got a full-time job, I've got 6 kids, and I've got 13 grandkids. All right. So there's 24 hours in a day, and everybody has those same 24 hours in a day. It's how you put together that management of that 24 hours a day that will make you or break you. So that's some of the situation and some of the things that we're going to talk about on the next video, which is the first video where we're going to talk about mindset. We're going to talk about um, habits, sacrifices, all these things. These are the foundations. You want to build your business on a foundation of rock, not on the sand. Okay? So stick with me. I'm excited because we're going to be taking a journey together. Okay? And listen, it's not the final destination that's important. It's the journey that you take along the way. It's the person you become to become, say, if you want to become a millionaire, it's not important that you got to the millionaire position or made that $1 million. It's important about what you did along that journey to become a millionaire. It's the skills that you learned. Okay. It's the skill sets. The more skills that you have, the more successful you will be. So I'm excited. Thank you for tuning in. Again, stay tuned for the next video that I'm going to do. It's getting your home-based business started, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or whether you're just getting started. Stick with us. We're going to go a long way. We're going to grow together. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Make it your best day ever. Take care.